Hey YouTube, this is my Lego battle scene. Um, First of all, here's a guy with a rocket launcher, and you can really see it. Smoke. Two other guys charging. This guy got shot. Apparently he's shooting at them. You see the smoke. That guy is throwing that grenade right there. To do that, I had to use a string, which you can see right here, and the nail. This other guy is getting slashed, and you can see it by his guts coming out right there. A dead horse, and you can kind of see. I just put this so like the blood came out. His head is coming off. Like that. This was a pretty tricky thing to do, because this thing is not even sticky. It's just made. I made it. I'm not planning on taking any of this thing off. Oh yeah, this other guy right here, he's still shooting. Yeah, this was a hard thing to do. That got blown up. Yeah, what I did is I cut under it and I put Lego pieces. Right there, you can kind of see it coming up. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. Then this is kind of squishing. I cut it with scissors, and I just put in the Lego clip pieces inside, and then put the minifigures on top. This is the battle scene. Add, comment, or subscribe if you like this or not. I mean, this is the best what I got. Please subscribe and add comments. Yeah, you kind of see, well, you can't see it that much, but snow, rock, things. If I put it right here, you can see, well, you can't see them that much. I made a little bridge here. Yeah, this took me some time to make, but I got it. I'm not gonna take it off for any videos or anything. But you see everything here. Pretty hard work. Yeah. Please add comments and subscribe. Thank you.